Welcome! In front of me I have COROS Pace 3 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the lower button. Once you see the logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. Usually, if your watch is brand new, you will see the list of languages on the screen. This time we don't have it because I already chose the language. But after you select the language, you basically will see the QR code on the screen, which means we need to download and install the COROS application on our iPhone we want to pair our watch with. So open the App Store. Of course, you need to make sure that you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Then open the App Store, tap on Search, tap on the search bar and type in COROS and tap on Search. And you should see this application on the list with this icon. Tap on the Get button to download and install it. And let's wait until the application is done installing. It might take a while, so I'm gonna come back to you once it's done. Okay, the application is done installing. We can tap on Open to open it. In the app, you will see pop-ups about the permissions. The Bluetooth one is required, so allow it. The notification one is not required, but if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you will need to allow it. And then we need to log in into an account. If you don't have one, you can tap on Sign Up and make a new account and then use it to log in. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on Login, enter the email address and password. And then tap on Login. Oh, I must have entered the password wrong, so give me a few seconds. Let me fix that. So, like this. Tap on Login. Continue to login. If you see the pop-up about the location permission, it's not required, but I'm gonna allow it. And I recommend to allow it, to be honest. Then we can tap on Not Now, got it. And now you should see the progress page on the app, or in the app rather. Tap on Profile. Okay, tap on Add New Device. Allow required permission, and then scan the QR code from the watch with your iPhone. So basically you need to point your iPhone's camera on the watch and let it scan it. Once it scans the code, it will start pairing. Tap on Pair, confirm by pressing the upper button. Allow or deny the permission for the notifications. Next. And here we can set up our device. So set up as your new device. Tap Next. Select the activity, or rather, basically we can manage the activity list. We can change it. We can add activities to the list by tapping on the plus button. Come on, like this. We can remove them, and I believe you can also move them up and down. So edit this list to your liking, and then tap Next. Then we have a daily data. We can change the list of widgets. You can remove, add, and also move them up and down. Then tap Next. Then toolbox. Again, we can edit the menu. We can remove, add, and move them around by pressing and holding on one. Come on, like this. And then tap on Next. Select preferred wrist, dial orientation, and the sleep time. This is useful if you want to sleep with your watch on your wrist. And basically it will disable the notification during the sleep and then enable them when you wake up. And here we have the notifications. You can enable them by tapping on the switch right here. You can also turn on the notifications during activity, and you can enable it for specific apps, as you can see. And then you can tap on Next, Start, and now the watch should be right here on the list, and it should be ready to use, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.